The Continental SportContact 7 versus the Kumho Ecsta Sport S. It's the battle between pedigree and ambition. The SportContact 7 has long dominated the UUHP scene, sharp, consistent and trusted. But in 2025, Kumho launches the Ecsta Sport S, aiming with performance at a fraction of the cost. Can it match the king? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental SportContact 7 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from AutoView's 2025 UUHP Summer Tyre Test. Let's begin with wet grip. In braking from 80 to 0 km/h, the Kumho stops 0.73 meters later, about 3% longer than Continental. On the wet circle, it's practically a draw, 76.91 km/h versus 76.97 km/h, and almost 0% difference. The SportContact 7 still has the edge in wet, but Kumho is surprisingly close. In dry braking, both are nearly identical, just 0.12 meters apart. But dry handling tells a different story. The Continental laps 0.52 seconds quicker and scores 7.4 in subjective handling feel versus Kumho's 6.2, a clear 6% edge. So while braking is equal, the SportContact 7 offers sharp control and precision. How about ride quality? The Kumho scores 6.7 in comfort, just ahead of Continental's 6.6. For noise, the Ecsta Sport S is 0.5 dB quieter, a 1% improvement. It's marginal, but a win for Kumho. In rolling resistance, Continental rolls 13% further than Kumho. More efficient, better for fuel economy and range. The SportContact 7 takes this one. When it comes to pricing, this is where Kumho strikes hard. The Ecsta Sport S comes in about 56% cheaper than the SportContact 7 in this size. A massive advantage for value seekers. So what's the key takeaway? The Continental SportContact 7 is still the reference for dry handling, driver feel, wet braking lead and efficiency. On the other hand, the Kumho Ecsta Sport S impressed me. Close in dry braking, nearly equal in wet grip and noticeably quieter. Add in a huge price advantage, then it's hard to ignore.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.